Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Kazaru, and today's video it is Guess the Palette. I'm so excited. Let's get straight into it. I've got my palette in front of me, and this time I'll link in the description box down below your clues. I think last time I only gave you 4 clues, so today I'm going to give you 5 clues. I've also written them down in front of me. So as we're doing the look, I'll give you some of the clues, or you can just go right down and look at them. It's up to you. But yeah. Okay, and last time I think when I did the palette, because this is like a new sort of video style that I'm trying to like test out, see if you guys like it, if it's kind of fun. Also, I feel like it lets us go back into our collections and see what we've got, and we can bring it out and play with it if you have the same too. And then also it's kind of fun because then you get to like guess what the palette is. But anyway, and you can see like the quality, whether you think it goes on the eyes well or not. Are we loving it? Are we hating it? Yeah. So let's have a little drink of my coffee. Let's put that there. Okie dokie. I hope you're all doing well. Okay, this time, as I was supposed to say before I was waffling on, I'm going to tell you the names of certain shades. Hopefully that won't give it away too much. Let's see. So the first shade I was going to go in with is a shade called Cool, and I will show you what the shades look like. It's a nice cool toned brown. The camera wants to pick it up, and we are just gonna start on with my left eye. Look in the mirror down here. A nice cool brown. That went on really nicely and blending out really nice. I have no idea what sort of eye look I'm actually going for. I've just gone in for that shade first, and I want to put that brown all up in my crease like so. Okay, first clue number 1. What was that? Okay, so first clue is I like to chill. I like to chill. I'm a chilling sort of palette. I'm a cool palette. Just chilling. And that's that first shade. I feel like it needs to be built up a bit more, or I've just over blended it a bit much. Let's do that. I'm going to go swap over with my smudge brush. All my brushes are linked down below. These are my Eco Tools brushes. Can't even say what they are. Eco Tools brushes. They're all linked down below for you. They are amazing. I love them. And if you've gone through my videos, or if you're new here, you'll go back from my beginning of my videos. They're like always the brushes that I use. I love the fact that they're double-ended as well. Great for traveling. And then we're just smudging this same shade, which is called Cool. And I just want to deepen it up here a bit more. We're going to the next shade, which is a bit darker. This one is called Burn. It's a darker brown. I don't think it's going to pick up because my brush is brown, but maybe you can see the pigment. It's a deeper brown, which is what I want. Lovely jubbly. Okay. Happy with that. The next shade I want to dip my finger in actually is called Leaf. Okay. And your next clue is I like my greens. I like my greens. The colour green vegetables. I like my greens. The next shade's called Leaf. And it looks like this. Okay. And it's just a nice matte, like minty green. It's called Leaf. And I'm just gonna put that over the lids. I'm using my finger with this. I always do like my brush. I probably will blend it out a bit more, but I just wanted to really pack on this colour right in the centre of the eye. Just wanted to see what the payoff would be like if I just did it like that first. Now I'm going to go back in with one of my Eco Tools brushes. I'm using also my brush pad. I tried to find this and link it for you guys, but I can't find this one. That's the one I always use. I just like this one because it has like, you can hold it and rest it and then clean when you're doing your makeup or other people's makeup. It's really handy. And you can use it also to clean your brushes. Right. Yeah, so going back in with shade Leaf. That's how much it picked up. It's a really nice shade. Let's go away from the excess. A little bit. Goes on fine with the brush. But I didn't want to take, I don't know, I feel like it's taking it off a bit too much now. We've just brushed it away, haven't we? Yeah, that was a mistake. Bit of a fallout in the pan with this one. But it's fine once it goes on the eye. I'm just going to leave it like that. And now I want to take a little bit of, I bought this. I bought the NYX Glitter Primer. Finally using it and trying it out. Because down below I've linked some of the other ones that I do use. This is a new one in my collection. And at the moment I'm absolutely loving it. It really holds down the shimmers and the glitters so much better. And I don't take much. I literally take like a little pea's worth. And I'm just going to take that. I'm just going to dab it on top of this shade here. Well, I just want to layer this nice greeny shade on top, which is called Candyland. Let's really get it on there. That's Candyland. Can you see it? That my light's not picking up very well. Feels really sticky already though, like good stickiness, like it's holding. I can feel it there. And I'm gonna put this shade on. Beautiful. Just over where we did the matte green, I did that just to make it pop a bit more. That is very nice. I like that. Okie dokie. In a corner, so I'm going to take away that one now. From in a corner, I'm just going to take this clear gel. This is quite good for doing in the corner stuff. Like the NYX thing's cool for like your shimmers, your heavier like glitter shadows. But for in a corner, I quite like taking this. This is my Love Shy Fix gel. And I like taking it on a little pencil brush. Just going to dab a bit on the back of my hand. Take the excess off. I'm going to go in the corner of my eye. I think I took too much off then. Next clue. I'm an English brand. I know some of you don't know that many English brands, but here you go. Here's your chance to learn some other ones whilst we do this like little guessing game. So yeah, have a chat in the comment section below with other people. See what you all think this one could be. Have a little search. Go on Google search engine. Put in like, I don't know, English makeup brands. See what I am. I need more. I did not pick up enough at all on my brush. A bit more. There we go. Should be packing that on there in the corner. And now with my same brush, I'm gonna pick up the next one. Oh, I'm gonna pronounce this wrong. Acapulco. Acapulco. Saying it wrong. It's a lovely gold shade. Acapulco. Acapulco? I feel like I was saying that really wrong. But anyway. And at the end of this video, I will reveal what was the palette last week. And this is just a lovely, stunning gold shimmery shade. It's like a satin, I'd say. I want to really put it in the corner and sort of spread it a bit up. It's really nice. I really like that with the green and the gold, and we've got the brown. I do want to deepen up the bottom a little bit more. Going back into my smudge brush, back into the shade called Burn. And just deepen that lower lash line a bit more. There we go. Taking a bit up here. Love this little smudge brush. So easy just to go up here and just to smudge stuff out. It being obviously a smudge brush, but you know what I mean. Because sometimes I feel like I could take that up, I could be buffing and stuff, but it would just take so much, you know, product like away. So if we just do this, it just focuses it all in that one area. And you can make it deeper and pat it out without spreading it out too far. Happy with that. There's another shade now. I just want to go in and layer. This one's called Calm. Did I give you all the other guesses? Oh, here you go, next clue. I'm a type of plant. I'm a type of plant. And this shade, this one, I want to see if I can just put this one. What happens if I pop it? Let's go get this and pop it on top of the green. I'm just really curious what this is going to do. This shade's called Calm. It's like a lighter shade, like a silvery shade. I just want to see what happens if I pop it just on top of the green. Just wanted to see whether it would give the eye a bit more like dimension. I'm going to blend that out a bit. Now I'm going to go back into my finger. You can see it's like just like a nice wet shade. It's really nice. That's really pretty. Okay. I'm going to finish off with eyeliner and the other eye, and then I'll come in close to you. Oh, last clue. I'm an affordable drugstore brand. Think about it. Come back in a minute. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm just going to line with my Max Factor eye pencil, which is in Natural Glaze. This one was such a lovely, like, nude eyeliner. I wear it a lot. It's a really nice one. Just makes your eyes pop more. And then next I'm going to do my Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Did you guess what it is yet? Wonder if you'll get this one. Okay, I just finished off my eyes. Gonna come in close to you. I'm also just been testing out the new e.l.f. lip oil. This one is in Jam Sessions. And it has like a minty smell. I like the stick, it's sort of like bent. And this shade is really nice. I'll show you on my lips and then what it's like here. It's like, I think I've just put it all on my lips. It's like, hang on, there you go. There, it's like a nice, like a jam, well, like a coloury, like a jam, and it's really glossy. Not sticky, nice and comfortable on the lips. I'm testing the e.l.f. one out against the NYX one at the moment, because the NYX came out with a lip oil as well, and so did e.l.f. and I wanted to try the e.l.f. one, and I've been wearing and testing out the NYX one for a bit. Yeah, and I was curious. I wanted to know which one was more comfortable, which one was more pigmented. This one has a different scent. The e.l.f. ones, I don't know if they're all are minty, but this one is like a minty. It smells minty. I didn't get horrible tingling, so that's cool. And then the NYX one smells like this. This is the shade Crosswires I've got. And then the applicators. Okay, so the sticks are both the same, slightly bent. And this one smells like sweets. And then this shade is a lot more pigmented. But that's just because I just picked a brighter colour. But this one is way more pigmented. If you want more pigment, then pick up the NYX Crosswires one. I've linked it down below for you if you're interested. I've also linked the e.l.f. one, Jam Sessions. That's the one I have on my lips now. It's nice, I do like it. This one's not sticky. I'm not sure about like if I had to do like which one is like nicer to wear, stickiness wise. Which one's more sticky? I don't know. I feel like the e.l.f. one might feel more less sticky, but like 1 point. Like if I have to mark them on stickiness, the e.l.f. one might be kicking NYX ass. Sorry, NYX. I love NYX stuff and e.l.f. stuff. But I'm trying to decide which of the lip oils I like better. I'm going to keep wearing them different days, testing them out for you to let you know which ones I like best. But the colours are really nice. Not like that they're both like, they are both quite different. I mean, they are both obviously a lip oil, but they both have different feelings and textures, different smells, different colour payoff. So I'm trying to decide which one I like. Or I might like both. The e.l.f. one does feel nice though. I like it gives a nice subtle hint of colour without being like bam in your face with like a big, you know, too much like a purple shade. But I don't know if you can now. Yeah, so I'm gonna come closer to you so you can see. This is the finished eye look that we achieved with the palette, with the mystery palette. I'll also put a picture on my page in the community post section so you can have a better look, and I'll link all the clues down below for you guys too. And now the moment you've been waiting for. You want to know what was the palette last Monday. Okay, are you ready? Drum roll please. Cheesy, I know, but whatever, had to be done. It was, you guessed it right guys, ta-da! It was Cosmic Blushes Delicious Delights palette. Wow, done. Isn't she a beauty? And if you want to see the look that I created, that's also in the community posts. Yeah, I could try and find a picture and link it up in the box somewhere for you, but I can't find my picture. But it is on my page in the community's post bit. And that was the palette. She's a beauty. Yeah, go play with it a lot more. Such a nice palette. Love it. And yeah, that were your clues. Wonder what I'm wearing. You will find out next week on Monday. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And take care guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.